Hi, in this video I will discuss about the new update of the Snapchat, and your Snapchat app is crashing again and again. Whenever you open your Snapchat on iPhone or your Android phone, it's keep crashing because this is the fault in the Snapchat new update. Snapchat give a new update before 4 to 5 hours, and there is issue in that app, so don't be worry about it. Snapchat also give a tweet about this issue, like we are aware of an issue with latest version of the Snapchat available in the app store. Hang tight, we are looking into it and working to fix it, so soon you will get an update, or your Snapchat will start working on your phone. So wait for it, don't worry about it, it will fix soon. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.